So I got a call in for my first commercial client, but I still had to go out, even though it was a call in. I still had to go out and do the bid. I
Right.
didn't know what the heck I was doing. I'm looking at
Right.
AJ Simmons videos on YouTube. Boy, I'm googling the mess out of stuff, man.
Headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. Don't flash it for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
I think we all come to a point in our life where, we get tired of a 9 to 5, and well, not even just that. We need more money, not want more money, but need more money,
Right.
or need more time. We all need something extra. So I was just looking for that, and I've always had the mindset that I wasn't going to work for anybody else for 30 years and retire and get a retirement party in the break room and a watch. You know
Right.
what I mean? That just wasn't what I signed up for. You know what I mean? I just wanted more out of life. I wanted to impact more people, and I wanted to make more money and have more time with family. So, cleaning business, I started it like part time as I was in the corporate world. I did it on the weekends or after work sometimes, and I saw the money that I made. Just cleaning residential places. Just the money you make in the short amount of time it takes to clean something. I was like, man, this, if I could get a cleaning every day,
Right.
this would be some pretty good change. You know what
But
I
were
mean?
you independent, or were you working for another company when you were doing that?
No, I had looked at a couple of franchises. A lady at my church at the time, she had offered me to buy her franchise.
Mhm.
And like I'm a numbers guy, so when I sat down and did the numbers, it just didn't pan out. It didn't pan out too good for me. And it was like, so basically, after I thought about it, I'm like, so basically, I'm just paying to use your name and branding and all of this extra stuff, and you'll charge me, and the royalty fees, everything that you speak about is like kind of the way I was thinking. So I was like, man, I come from a sales background. I don't need y'all to sell nothing for me. I could go get it.
Right.
You know what I mean? I could go get it and keep that extra, that percentage. But anyway, so I had declined that offer. Um, I don't know if I should say the name of the company or whatever, but it was a pretty well known cleaning company. So I declined the offer for that, and then I just said I want to start my own because I want to have my own brand. I want to build my own brand, how I want to build it with no restrictions.
Right.
So that's what we did, and I quit my job September 21st, 2017. So
Wow. Congrats on
yeah,
that.
so we just been growing, man. It's been hard. It's been a struggle. It ain't been easy by
Right.
far. You know what I mean? It's definitely been a struggle, and you got to sacrifice some things, which is okay because that's what it's all about. So,
Okay. So how did you get your first client?
so I was heavy on residential because residential is like low hanging fruit. I mean,
Right.
if you know people, you know what I mean. If you know one person, you know what I mean, you can have a residential client easy.
Mhm.
So just start talking to family, talking to friends, posting pictures. That helps. We're in the age of social media. You
Right.
know what I mean. So you utilize that to build your business. So started posting pictures, and when people see the pictures, it's like, oh, okay, you coming with it. All right,
Right.
well, I need you, or I know somebody. And my thing is working, smarter and not harder. So who are people that come in contact with people who need properties cleaned all the time? Bingo, realtors. So I started connecting with realtors because they could lead you to two, three, four, five people in a matter of moments. You know what
Right.
I mean? So I just started thinking strategically. Real estate companies, I just started walking in there and dropping off my business cards. Uh, and a lot of times it's a not right now. You'll get a lot of not right nows.
Right.
But when you're having a rough month, is this uncut? Man,
Right.
if you're having a rough month, you know what I mean? That seed that you planted like 2 months ago, you dropped off that business card, they'll call you out of the blue. Hey,
Right.
we've got a property. Can you get to it today? And you may be broke that day, and that'll be just a
Yep.
blessing that you had. So it just grows from there.
Yeah.
So, but you got to put in the work and just plant seeds, and can't expect, the seeds that you plant today for them to, harvest tomorrow, or grow tomorrow, you know.
Right. So how would you say? How did you get your first commercial account?
First commercial account, honestly, I can't say that I gained that through it was my own efforts, but I'm listed on Google.
Right.
So I think anybody in the business, I think that's very important to be listed on Google, because stuff will just start falling in your lap. Because what they do is they'll do these Google searches, and depending on where your location, where you have your business set in Google, it'll pull, it'll pull every business. Let's say they search for cleaning companies or commercial cleaning near me.
Yeah.
So it's location based. So my location is based downtown Chicago. So I get a lot of calls for stuff that I can't even do. I got a call for like escalator cleaning, and I had looked up. I was going to take it, but if I'm not confident that I could provide them with the top level service, I'm going to decline it. But so I got a call in for my first commercial client, but I still had to go out, even though it was a call in. I still had to go out and do the bid. I didn't know what the heck I was doing. I'm looking at AJ Simmons videos on YouTube, or I'm googling the mess out of stuff, man. And you fail forward. And I think I actually underbid them. I wasn't really making too much money. I think that when I saw in a couple of groups online that's one of the hardest things to do in this business is to bid accurately. I didn't feel so bad because I was beating myself up about it. And I was telling my lady, I was like, I think I underbid, it's not that much money, but the experience and, they lead you to other things, and just being able to have a commercial company up under your belt. Now you can tell other people, hey, we work with so-and-so up the street, or, you know what I mean? So it was good for me. It was a calling, but it was good.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.